Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. To see, it don't happen. Say don't be situation whereby everybody go the report wetin they not supposed to report to. This evening I just the wakakuru kere now see say there is a particular update that is roaming on about that the federal government of Nigeria they are trying by all means to make sure say the rendition the Biafra prime minister, which the person of Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. I say twege, and they can't even talk say right now Finnish government they try by all means to work hand in hand to make sure say Simon Ekpa pay for everything when he does do say they won't take legal action against him. I say true. Not quite long the Biafra prime minister called release a statement when he talk say the 30-day sit at home still remain sealed and signed. He say if na because of this 30-day sit at home wey make dem dey carry everything wey dem wan carry about himself, he said he's not afraid, he's not shaking, he's not stressed, he's not panicking. He said the 30-day sit at home must happen. Now, what is really the motive why there is panic all over? Because the 30-day sit at home e no dey applicable to Biafrans, e no dey for business women, e no dey for businessmen. No, e say you fit go about your daily business, you fit go open store. E say but you see every government office, oh my goodness, e say all of them go totally lock down, they go shut all of them down. Na that one na dey even dey make a lot of people dey panic say how come only Nigeria government offices no go open when traders every other person go in daily business but government office go dey close. As we dey talk this matter as if e never finish, na there na the Finland government, in fact the Finland president come send strong message, though e dey refer to another country, but this is something that also affects the Biafrans. This is something that also affects the freedom. So you go know say this talk when e talk, this statement, e dey send message not only to the country when the name mention, but also to every other country when need freedom. Now, may we listen to what the Finland government talk, the speech, and I'll be right back.
We in Finland know what it means to fight for your independence. We did it from 1939 to 1944. You are fighting for your independence. You're fighting for your rightful place with the West. I wish you, Ukraine, the best of independence. Slava Ukraini.
After this speech, now so everybody call the run up and down. They say, oh, but Biafra name is not mentioned. Yes, Biafra name is not mentioned, but una hear am when the reporter say the Finland government they try by all means to rendition the person of the Biafra prime minister Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. He said they won't take legal action against him. Neither the report. Now, when the same Finland president now come out say he know what it takes. He say we in Finland we know what it takes to fight for independence. He said because they themselves they be once victim of this particular thing when people they fight about. They still dey in the process before when be say they can still fight the way every other country when need independence, when need freedom, they fight right now. E come still make the statement to Ukraine say wetin Ukraine they fight for, Ukraine they fight for their freedom. Now wetin Biafra they fight for, not be still freedom Biafra they fight for. So if they refer to Ukraine say then when they be Finland, they don't fight this fight before, so they know every game, they know everything that is written there, they know how it works, they know the pains, they know the strategies. He say what they are fighting for, they are fighting for their freedom. So my wonderful family, I say let me come and tell you say All those ones that they are saying, Finland though, they want to take legal action against Simon Ekpa, all of them are story. If the president fit make this reference to Ukraine, say dem know say una dey fight for una freedom, dem know say una dey fight for una rights, because Finland sef don pass through the same phrase for life before. Wetin you call think? You no know say e dey also dey pass message to every other nation wey be say dem feel say they have been cheated, dem feel say they have been maltreated, dem feel say they need to go, dem feel say is the right time for them to separate. You know say that see the same message they pass to everybody. So e no come too dey long, Biafra Prime Minister with Professor Simon Ekpa call release this particular picture when he snap long time ago with the present president of Finland. Now e capture be say this one na one of the picture when he snap with the president a very long time ago, for you to know say these two people they are friends. These two people they have worked together before. We still recall when this election time they happen. We know the role when the Biafra Prime Minister also played for inside the election when it happened for Finland. Now with all these things when una dey see, and with the stand of the Finnish government, una dey feel now said Finland go come hand over the Biafra Prime Minister, give Nigeria government say una well done, una dey look for Simon Ekpa make una take. Person dey tell you say Finland do pass wetin dey happen right now. Person dey tell you say Finland don see experience this kind thing before. For country like Finland where they don experience everything when need freedom don experience before, una come dey feel say Finland now come turn their back at this particular time, come hand over Simon Ekpa to federal government of Nigeria, say una well done. Not be today, not be yesterday, when we don still hear how the evil sue Simon Ekpa. Every other case where we don't hear about am, today now Joro, today now Toro, nothing of such happen. The guy still dey where he dey. In fact, for a last broadcast, he even tell the world where he dey broadcast from, say from his base for Finland, na there in dey broadcast from. So my beautiful family, I say make I come share all these things when e dey touch light, when e dey pack everywhere for inside social media, that the Biafra Prime Minister will soon be rendition to Nigeria. The federal government of Nigeria is working so hard to make sure say they bring her come back. Abba no, una dey feel now say Finland go come agree say me they carry Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. Why? Because say they fight for your right, or because say they fight for the same statement when the Finland president made Nana say he no say Ukraine that they fight for their right. Them as Finland, they don't pass through that phrase for life before. So my beautiful family, I say make I bring the word coming to na say not be everything na see for social media be real or be truth. A lot they will be say truth is not gum there. So my beautiful family, I do want to share this video. Abba, if you haven't subscribed to Progress the Analyst, what are you waiting for? Please smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop any Okporoge update, Abba, you will be the first to notify. Thank you so much and bye bye.